Hello, in this HTML crash course video, we're going to cover presentation. You'll be thinking, presentation, is that some sort of tag? Yes, we're going to be covering tags, but there isn't like a presentation tag or anything. We're just going to cover some tags that allow you to present data in different ways, such as making data smaller, making data underlined, bold, that sort of stuff. So customizing, styling your text using nothing but tags. So the first one we're going to show you is a void element similar to the BR, but it's called HR. So if I put HR, and this is a block level element, so if I save that, go back to our web page, let's refresh. Simply put, what you get is a straight line that spans the entire browser width. The next element I'm going to show you is the small tag. I'm sure you can guess what this does. This just makes the text inside smaller. So if I save that, go back, refresh, the text is now smaller. If I were to show you an S tag, the S tag, I want you to see if you can guess. I'm going to give you a few seconds. Can you guess what the S tag might do? You might think, initially you may have thought small if you didn't see this tag, but you'll be right in assuming that it's not small because there's this tag right here. Basically puts a line through it, a strike through. So if I put strike through, save that, go back, refresh, as you can see, we got a piece of text and we have a strike through it or a line through it. And as you can see, both of these elements are inline elements, so they are not on separate lines without any sort of break rule tag like this one there. The next one we're going to show you is the U tag. Come on, I'm sure you can guess what this does. It underlines the text, so underline, refresh. The next one I'm going to show you is I. Again, very self-explanatory what this one does. It makes your text italic, so it basically makes it like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. It just slants it slightly. I had a friend, I'm just going to go off topic a bit. I had a friend at high school that for the most part he wrote in italics. I've met other people that do that as well, but his writing was amazing. It looked really nice. And I remember once I was trying to do it and it didn't work. And I remember he said it would help if you slightly rotate your paper. So what I did was I rotated the papers, only a little bit, but I kept writing straight. So simply put, what I had was it's about a sentence or something, like a small sentence that literally just went that spanned several lines instead of it actually being italic. But yeah, I can't write italic. That's the moral of the story. The next one we're going to show you is B, and can you guess what this is? Bold text. Go back, refresh. We got some nice bold looking text. The next one I'm going to show you is we're going to do a P tag. We've covered this before, a paragraph tag, but inside here we're going to show you a subscript and a superscript tag. So I'm going to put this text contains superscript. I'll still need to put the actual tag itself, so just bear with me. I'm just going to write the sentence out first. And subscript, so let's add the tag. Oops daisy, I need to do superscript. So for this is sub, and let's close it off. And for this one it is sub. So you can guess that one. Wouldn't mind a sub. Save that. So what do you think the superscript or subscript is? Chances are, if you don't know what they are, you won't be able to guess it. So if I refresh, superscript puts the text a little higher, almost like an exponent in mathematics, and the superscript sort of makes it lower. So this is a cool way of making your text a little higher, a little lower for whatever reason, without having to use separate, like a bunch of separate tags and either creating them with different break rules or different styling or different sizes just to achieve this result. So that's fantastic. And the final one we're going to show you is the mark tag. So again, we're going to show you or put a P tag, and in here I'm going to put he wants to play with his Legos. And we're gonna put mark tags around the Legos word. Save that. If I refresh, it simply is like highlighting a word. It's as simple as that. So that's presentation in HTML. There are other elements as well to present your text differently to the user, but this is just a basic overview of some of the common ones that you will be using throughout your web development journey. If you have any questions, feel free to post it on my education platform, sonarlearning.co.uk. If you want to check out the source code, feel free. There'll be a link in the description, and you will also have all the source code from every other video in this series. If you liked the video, please let us know. If you didn't, please let me know as well so I can improve it for the next time. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.